Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Bgmi while signed into the Google account you want linked. Once done, go to the main lobby and tap the settings gear. Make sure your profile shows your Google linked ID. Next, have Facebook ready, either the app installed or credentials in your browser, because the link requires a Facebook login prompt. Finally, grant Bgmi and Facebook any requested device permissions so the linking step won't fail due to blocked access. You now move into account management. Settings right arrow basic right arrow account. Once you tap link Facebook, choose whether to use the Facebook app single sign-on or log in via browser. The app is faster. The browser can help if app SSO fails. Enter Facebook credentials, accept requested permissions, and watch for the confirmation pop-up. Make sure the Facebook name matches the account you intend to connect. If it shows a different account, cancel and pick switch account so you don't link the wrong profile. You finish by checking your profile for linked badges and performing a quick restart of Bgmi to apply changes. If the link didn't take, clear Bgmi cache, log out of Facebook on your device, then retry. Make sure no VPN or firewall blocks the connection. If you still see mismatched or missing data, record both your Google and Facebook account ID and open a support ticket. This helps recovery teams reconcile accounts faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.